Welcome back. It's Wednesday, and we're here with your midweek market update on VPTrade Daily Financial News. Don't miss a beat, subscribe and stay informed. In U.S. markets, the Nasdaq scored a record closing high, while the S&P 500 also gained, up 0.16%, as investors digested a flurry of corporate earnings reports. The Dow, on the other hand, dipped 0.36%. Eyes are on Alphabet, which reported higher-than-expected revenue, fueling optimism around tech and AI. Wall Street is keeping watch on the Magnificent Seven stocks, whose results are set to shape future market momentum. And in housing, VF Corp jumped 27% on news of their first profit in 2 quarters, but it wasn't good news across the board. Homebuilder D.R. Horton fell over 7% after forecasting weaker revenue ahead, which dragged down the entire housing index by 2.5%. Declining housing numbers suggest some areas of the market are feeling the pressure, even as broader indices keep climbing. Over in global markets, Asia-Pacific shares slipped as Chinese stocks showed weakness ahead of the upcoming U.S. election. MSCI's Broad Asia Index fell by 0.22%, with China's CSI 300 index down by 0.16%. Analysts are noting that China's recent stimulus plans haven't fully reassured investors, especially with trade tensions potentially heating up post-election. In Forex, the US dollar held close to a 3-month high, supported by positive consumer confidence data and moderate job openings. Meanwhile, Bitcoin continues its strong rally, nearing a record high of $73,800. Analysts believe growing Republican support in the U.S. election could lead to a pro-crypto stance, pushing Bitcoin even higher if the trend holds. Lastly, in commodities, oil prices have slipped to over a month low amid talk of a potential ceasefire in the Middle East. Brent crude stands at $71.50, while West Texas Intermediate is at $67.64. But for those eyeing gold, it hit an all-time high of $2,782 per ounce today, as investors look for safe haven assets ahead of the tight U.S. presidential race. That wraps up today's news. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button and leave a comment. We'll be back tomorrow with more market updates. Have a great Wednesday.